Hi, here is the Pentax ME Super overall conditions. Okay, the bottom part of here is the battery compartment. You can use a coin to open it, and it using 2 LR44 battery. Yeah. And when you want to put it inside, the positive is face down inside, so you just put like this and lock it. Okay. So by checking the battery, when you half press, it will have a LED light at the left side of the camera, which it will show you the current shutter speed is. It have auto mode, manual mode, and bulk mode, and the fixed mode. This is 125 speed, but it will like usually is for flash. If you want to use the flash, you just press this button and switch to the 125 here. Then it will be fixed speed. Then the menu, you also can switch to menu. Then here's the aperture. Then you see, there's have 2 light, and the bottom there got a red light keep blinking, which means that the current shutter speed is not allowed. You can increase the shutter speed by clicking this button or decrease by this button. You can see the LED moving, like that. If it's too bright or something, it will blink lah. If it's correct, then you see it won't blink any red light. Like this it will blink. Okay, then now is turn to the auto mode, which is the aperture priority mode. And the next thing, by opening here to open the back cover, inside will be like this. Then here is the film, put it inside, push the rewind up down, make sure it's fully down like this, don't be like this. If like this, you just turn a bit, make sure that it's locked will do. Then the film tip insert into like inside here, like this. Then press this, wind it like this means okay. Then we just close it. How to make sure whether you have loaded the film properly? It's quite easy. Just like me, like this, stop it, and when you wind, look at here. If you turn together, which means that it's okay already. Okay, then next thing is adjusting the ISO at here. So just pull it out to turn it. Just now the film is 400, so I just turn to 400 will do. And if it's in the aperture priority mode, where you select the apertures, then the camera will select the shutter speed for you. If it's the small aperture, then the shutter speed will be slow. You see. If it's bigger aperture, then will be faster. Okay. Then all you need is just adjust the focus lah. Well, if you want to switch to manual mode, then you just click this white button. Then just switch it will do. And the L means it's locked lah. Then here will show how many shots you have took. You just shoot until it finish, or you shoot until you feel like there's a resistance that you cannot wind anymore. Then only click the rewind button. Then here is the timer. Try it. Hey, okay, I know it. The timer is like this. You need to push it up to trigger it. Wait for it until it's finished. Okay, like this is okay already. Then when you want to take off the lens, you just press this button. Then you just twist it anti-clockwise. And when you want to equip the red dot, match with the red dot, turn clockwise will do. And the overall is like this. Here is the focus ring and the lens filter. And when you should finish, click this button at the bottom here. Then flip here up to rewind. Sorry, I forgot to show you. If inside got film, here you see when I wind, it will move. If inside don't have film, when you wind, it won't move. Let me show you. Okay, when I took off, rewind until you feel that suddenly become very loose. Okay, open it and take it out, take the develop. Yeah, so now inside don't have film, so you see if I wind, yeah, you see it won't move. This, if have film, then it will move. And there is it. Hope you enjoy it.